Working with SAP in Excel comes with its challenges. For planning purposes, SAP transactions are often exported to Excel. This results in large, cluttered spreadsheets filled with outdated information. Macros are used to manage the data. They work, but they lack transparency. Since the data isn't up to date, the macros need to be checked regularly. The result? High effort, low visibility. That's when we realized we needed a more efficient solution. So we developed Kyra Stream. Kyra Stream is a process solution that works directly within SAP, clearly and efficiently. With Kyra Stream, planning and operational processes can be fully mapped in the SAP system. The solution is designed so that business departments can build and manage processes independently without needing external support. Each step is captured within a so-called stream that leads to a clear, actionable result. This not only saves time, about 1/3 of the usual processing time, but also provides better structure and traceable documentation throughout. Thanks to streamlined workflows and intuitive interface, Kyra Stream significantly reduces the potential for errors. Kyra Stream brings structure where there used to be complexity, right within your SAP system.